Now, it's almost crazy to me to see so much good news being written about, so many positive advancements in the cryptocurrency space, yet we're on a major dip right now. Bitcoin pulling back to about 97,000. I think it's at 97,100 as I'm doing this video here, and coming down all morning. Shiba Inu coin coming down. Solana, Ethereum, it doesn't matter what you're looking at, it is coming down right now, and it doesn't necessarily make sense. So we're going to be talking a little bit about that in this video, but I want to go over some good news too, and that's the fact that Shiba Inu coin, Dogecoin, a lot of other cryptocurrencies are receiving a boost, not necessarily in price action, but in, I guess, fundamentals. As CryptoCzar David Sachs calls meme coins and NFTs collectibles, not securities. Let's discuss it. If it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay, and as you can see, we got a lot of good news to go over, but I do want to say a couple things before we do. Right now, Fear to Greed Index, level of 35. We'll talk a little bit more about that in a second. Right now, Shiba Inu coin on its way down. It doesn't seem like we have good news out there, but right now, we've got a major buying opportunity. When you see prices being hit in the face of all of the good news, I like to buy. Why? The old adage, buy property when there's blood in the streets. Buy crypto when others are fearful, and sell when others are greedy. And one of the tokens that I am buying the most of right now is Street Pepe. Guys, I've been told there's a $73 million hard cap, so please pay attention to that number because we're crossing $70 million, which means that this has about 2 or 3 days left. So absolutely pay attention to it. If it reaches that hard cap, it should not last another 9 days, right? So we're going to have to see what happens with that. But if you are interested in buying, I do have a full walkthrough tutorial of how to buy Street Pepe. Type in how to buy Street Pepe on my channel. It's going to load up a QR code. I put my wallet on the left-hand side of the screen, show you guys every button to click on, making it a very simple process. But this is one of the tokens that I'm loading up the most on in anticipation of major gains within just a few days of launch. So pay attention to it. But let's jump into Shiba Inu coin. Let's jump into what's happening in the overall market first. A level of 35 fear. Guys, now I get it that prices are down. The overall market cap is sitting at 3 trillion, right? The coin market cap top 100 index here, down 2% on the day today, $194. Bitcoin dominance is definitely in full swing right now, but 35 fear. Should we really be that fearful right now? Come out the coin stats, right? The coin stats fear and greed index, we're still showing a level of 38 fear. Why are people so afraid? And I believe it has everything to do with price action. If you look at the last week, it's obvious that prices have been hit very hard. Ethereum's down 17, Bitcoin's down 8, XRP down 26, Solana down 20, 16, 26, 27, 25. Like, I get it, right? Prices are hit very, very hard over the last week, just 1 week here. Meme coins. Guys, meme coins down 26, 20, 35%, 35, 30, 40%, 33, 28. Now, they will bounce back, right? This is not the end, and we're going to talk about the good news surrounding meme coins here in a second. But this is a major buying opportunity to go out and get some of the most heavily traded tokens at a discount. Now, if you're not doing it, that's okay. Maybe you've already loaded up. But a market cap of $68 billion pales in comparison to the $100 billion market cap that we saw just a couple of really days ago. It was about last week that we saw that market cap. And here we are at $68 billion. To me, that screams opportunity. Why? Not because prices are simply low. If prices were low and the administration was calling you criminals for investing in cryptocurrency, it would be a different story. But prices are low when the administration is calling these collectibles. Prices are low when the administration is telling you there will be a golden era for digital assets here in the United States. You know what that means? It means prices are low right now as whales and institutions load up. And I forget the exact numbers. I think it was about 100,000 Ethereum. You guys can go Google it. But BlackRock just bought like 100,000 Ethereum worth $280 million or something ridiculous. Dude, do you think BlackRock is an idiot just out there wasting $280 million? Absolutely not. Guys, BlackRock is accumulating the entire industry the same way that they did when the housing collapse and real estate collapse here in the United States happened back in 2007, 2008, 9, and 10. What did BlackRock do? Did they sell their real estate? No. They went out there and bought up apartment complexes. They went out there and they bought up single-family homes. They went out there and they cornered the market. That is exactly what these guys are doing right now. We have to corner the market. If we fall victim to this fear, if we fall victim to the 35 fear, the 38 fear, you know what's going to happen? 5 years down the road, 10 years down the road, 20 years down the road, we're going to say, dude, I could have bought a Bitcoin. Dude, I could have had 100 Solana. Dude, I could have had 10 Ethereum. No matter what your numbers are, I don't know what you guys are investing in, right? But no matter what your numbers are, imagine how much greater they're going to be 10 years down the road. I want to make the money, and I want to make it yesterday, same as you guys do, right? I'm a retail investor. I get it. I'm impatient as well. I want the money, and I want it now. It's like one of those commercials. It's my money, and I want it now. Well, here's the deal. We got to have a little bit of a longer-term focus as well. Yes, stay interested. Yes, make the money now. But if we just imagine what this industry, this golden era of digital assets is going to become 10 years down the road, it's not just financial freedom for you. It's potential generational wealth. And that has to be enticing to you. It's very enticing to me. So if we look at what's happening here, it says some of the top crypto coins, Shiba Inu coin, Dogecoin, Remix, are set to lead the charge as crypto czar David Sachs calls meme coins and NFT collectibles, not securities. Apart from the price action, Shiba Inu coin, the Ethereum-based meme coin, has lately attracted interest for its strategic actions, including a novel alliance with the government agency of the United Arab Emirates. And to be completely honest with you guys, that's not with Shiba Inu coin. That is with Shibarium. There's a major difference between Shiba Inu coin and Shibarium. They call it Shiba Inu coin because Shibarium doesn't get any attention. Shiba Inu coin is still one of the most talked about, still one of the most held, and still one of the most attractive meme coins in the entire world. So, of course, they need to attach themselves to Shiba Inu coin. But here's what I'm doing. And I don't know what you guys are doing, right? But here's what I'm doing. I'm accumulating. I feel like I'm getting Rocky Balboa'd right now, dude. Left, right. I'm getting hit and hit and hit as prices are coming down, and I feel it the same way that you guys feel it. But if we split up this mentality of we need to get rich now, when prices are falling like this, the mentality doesn't need to become I need to take my profit. The mentality needs to become I need to find a way to accumulate more. Because I don't believe that this is the highest price Shiba Inu coin will ever see. I don't believe that $100,000 is the highest price that Bitcoin will ever see. I don't believe that this is the end of the cryptocurrency industry. I believe that this is the beginning. And because of that, I'm using a couple things to accumulate. KSEX Exchange is absolutely one of them. These guys have the best selection of meme coins, cryptocurrency that I've ever seen in the United States. And if you look at their fees right now, dude, it's insane. Now, I know one of the reasons their fees are so low at the moment is because they're trying to take advantage of the popularity in crypto growing again, and they're trying to grow, offering zero fees and all of that. So please pay attention to those fees there. Use them, utilize them, take full advantage of them, and look at these ICOs. Guys, nowhere else in the industry can you essentially come in, potentially 7x your money in a 48-hour period after launch, get out, and diversify back into whatever you want to hold long term. We've got so much opportunity ahead of us. All we have to do is take advantage of it. Let me know what you guys are doing down in the comments below, and until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.